Okay, now before I start this video, I just want to let you guys know I'm just testing some settings on the mic and testing some software for audio recording. So in the next upcoming videos, my voice might sound a bit different, just to give you guys a heads up on that. So anyway, here we go. Okay, so since Akira Toriyama has passed away, the creator of Dragon Ball, basically there is a legal battle going on. So basically this legal battle is about who's gonna own Dragon Ball going forward. So if you guys don't know, I'll give you the rundown how Dragon Ball is owned. So basically, Bert Studios, which is basically Akira Toriyama, he basically owns everything, like the characters and everything. Then from there, it's Shueisha. Basically, they publish the manga. Then you have Toei, which basically do the anime, and then you have Bandai, which do the toys and the games and stuff like that. Now, what's happening is that the legal battle is actually in between Kyoyoku and Shueisha. Now, if you guys don't know who Kyoyoku is, he's basically Akira Toriyama's right-hand man. So basically, about a year ago, I think it was, just maybe over a year ago, what he did was he actually left Shueisha and he opened up his own company. So basically, Kyoyoku is basically like a middleman. So he's basically between Akira Toriyama and Shueisha. He's like an advisor kind of thing. But he's basically a publisher or editor, I should say. He's an editor to Akira Toriyama. So basically, the way it is he's in charge of the games and the anime, while Shueisha owns the manga. So basically, what is happening right now is that Shueisha wants to take the Dragon Ball rights and they want to basically make projects after projects of Dragon Ball. They want to control the rights of basically everything Dragon Ball. But Kyoyoku, he wants to stay truthful to Akira Toriyama's vision. Now, as you can see on the screen here, there's an article. Now, this article was originally it's a Japanese article from a magazine, but this was translated by Super Chronicles. Go check out his Twitter if you guys want to. But yeah, it was translated by him. Now, I'm not gonna read the whole thing because I'm just gonna summarize it. But pretty much everything I said is basically in this article. So even in this article, it even states that Akira Toriyama was actually a bit upset that Kyoyoku left the company. But there's actually some tensions going on between Kyoyoku and Shueisha, because Kyoyoku has been doing something like kind of behind their back, but he's been doing it. But it says in this article that he's been doing it because he wants to stay truthful to Akira Toriyama's vision. It's like Kyoyoku actually doesn't like what Shueisha wants to do with Dragon Ball, because what Shueisha wants to do, and it's a bit worrying, is that they want to basically like make as much money as they can from Dragon Ball. But the thing is, it's kind of like, it's kind of like what Marvel did and DC, when they just make a lot of stuff, but the quality is not there. It's at least that's what it seems like to me. But Kyoyoku, he wants quality Dragon Ball, So basically, Kyoyoku wants quality over quantity, while Shueisha wants quantity over quality, and basically to milk the Dragon Ball product for more money, basically. At least that's what I'm reading out of this. Which is actually a bit worrying, because if that is true in Shueisha, if Shueisha gets the whole thing and they actually do that, then Dragon Ball will lose its quality, will lose its charm. It's going to become a very boring show, even though they're going to produce, projects after projects after projects. It's just going to lose its charm. It's going to lose its quality. People are going to get bored of it. You know what I mean? Well, if it stays with Kyoyoku, it seems like we're going to get, just quality over quantity. Like, we're going to get quality Dragon Ball is what I'm trying to say. But if that is the case, look, I do kind of prefer that it kind of does stay with Kyoyoku, but we'll see what happens. We have to wait and see what happens. And now I'm actually even hearing that Akira Toriyama's family is now kind of getting involved, or they're trying to get them involved. And another thing is that what it doesn't say is who's going to own Bird Studios now. Basically, some people are saying it might go to his son, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't know how they haven't said anything, but yeah. So it is a bit worrying. Like, I really hope they don't ruin Dragon Ball. I really hope they don't. They better not ruin Dragon Ball over this, because this actually spits on the legacy of Akira Toriyama. You know what I mean? Like, especially this is happening like almost a couple of months after his death. You know what I mean? And now they're already charging to, to grab his property, to milk more money out of it. You know what I mean? So it is a bit worrying, but they better not ruin Dragon Ball over this. But anyway, that's enough from me. Like and subscribe. I'm definitely going to do more Dragon Ball content as well. And yeah, thank you for watching.